In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Cloudflare DNS IPv6 on Windows 11. Using Cloudflare DNS can improve your internet speed, privacy, and overall security. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. From the Settings window, go to Network and Internet. Here, select the network you're currently using, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, scroll down, look for the DNS Server Assignment option, and click the Edit button next to it. In the DNS Settings window, change the setting from Automatic to Manual. Once you do that, turn on the IPv6 toggle. Now, enter Cloudflare's IPv6 DNS addresses. For preferred DNS, type 2606.4700.4700:1111. For alternate DNS, type 2606.4700.4700:1001. After entering the DNS addresses, make sure the encryption option is set to unencrypted or automatic, depending on your Windows version. Then click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, your Windows 11 system will start using Cloudflare's IPv6 DNS immediately. To make sure everything is working properly, you can restart your browser or reconnect to your network. That's it. You have successfully set Cloudflare DNS IPv6 on Windows 11. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the description for more Windows and Cloudflare tutorials.